Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to do a return on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right corner of your screen and go to My Orders section. Now we want to find an order that you want to return and tap on it to open its details. And then you should find button Returns and Refunds. So now your screen should look like this. First of all, you should answer a few questions, and the first question is, did you receive your item? And the answer should be yes. The second question is, do you want to return your item? And select yes option as well. Then you have to provide a reason. Why do you basically request your return? So here in this arrow, tap this arrow and you will see a list of reasons. So pick one reason that best describes your situation. Tap continue button, and here in this line you should indicate a refund amount, of course if you want to have your refund. So enter it there and tap continue button. And now you should confirm your return method. There are two methods, and the first one is AliExpress free return service, and the second method is self drop off. So you should think to yourself and decide which method will work out for you better, and basically tap one method to select it. Tap continue. And now in this box you can provide more information about your situation. So in a few sentences you describe your issue so that seller understands more why do you exactly want to do your return, so that you have higher chances that seller will approve your request. And finally, you can upload your photos, videos or screenshots as a proof for the seller. And of course, do not forget to submit your request. So basically requests take a few business days to be processed. So wait a little bit, and after your request is approved, make sure that you find your free return label. So to do that, you need to go to My Orders section at your account, and then you should open order that you want to return. Tap on it to open its details, and then you should go to dispute page, and there you should see your free return label. Pay attention that you have only 5 days to do this, and if you miss this deadline, your case will be closed and you will be no longer able to reopen your dispute, and as a consequence you will not be able to return your package. So download that label and print it out. Then after that you should carefully pack your parcel and stick your label to it. And you have 15 days after you received your label to drop off your package at the nearest post office. Then basically wait until your package arrives back to your seller, and you've basically made a return on AliExpress. But if you have still some questions, I will show you now how to access some additional instructions. So at your homepage, open whatever item, like a random item, then scroll down to section free returns within 19 days right here. Tap learn more button, scroll down to section free returns, and now you have it. So here you can see step-by-step instructions on how you can make your return. That's basically what I said, and some additional information about returns as well as refunds. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.